Hi, welcome to the Brown Hotel in Breckenridge, Colorado. This is a project that we're just starting here, and it's a 150-year-old hotel and residence, so it's going to be a bit of work. But I want to take you inside first to show you what it looks like before we get started. Here's our funky velvety wallpaper from way back in the day. Some fun older chandeliers. You can see the sprinkler system that was put in at some point. Here we got some of the newer build out here. You know, they've got because it was a restaurant, they've got an ADA bathroom built in there. That's gonna get cut down eventually, be a smaller bathroom, and that'll be in an office. Now we're going into the family room here. Oh, there's Uncle PJ playing with the kids. Here's the fireplace that was built. Some of the original windows. Big, tall, they go all the way down, which is really nice. Now this is where the bar was. That's all gonna get gutted. We're gonna turn that whole room there. We're gonna take the wall down, that wall there to the left, and we're gonna make that into one large room. Kind of a grand, kind of kitchen, dining room, living room. And you can see, yeah, that's a good view of the whole space. We got the stairs going down to the old basement. Got a little board up there to protect the little skull crusher. It's my youngest son. Here's the kitchen that they were operating out of. It's pretty small. We'll get that, it'll all get opened up. Hey, going through several rooms that were game rooms here for the Brown, for the bar. They had foosball and that kind of stuff. I love all the wood. You can see the trimmed out pieces there in between all that rough sawn material. That's all original. And they just filled the gaps with that trim board. There's just wood everywhere here. It's all just gorgeous wood. Up at the top of the stairs here, there's a room to the right where supposedly that's where Whitney was shot back in the day, and that's where the ghost stories come from and why the ghost tours come by every Friday and Saturday night, hang out front, look in the windows. It's kind of funky. This part they redid about 5 years ago, so you got a pretty nice bathroom there. Well appointed. So this is supposedly the room that the dirty deed was done in. I haven't met Whitney yet. I'll keep you updated if I do. Here's another bathroom that was done. This is all gonna get gutted out. Just fitting in with the plans. There's a better space for it. This up here is pretty much gonna get taken down to the studs and redone. All the windows beautiful up here. Floor to ceiling, gorgeous. More of that wallpaper makes it fun. Gives you a little better view of the stairs. More hallway, more wood, more wallpaper. The in-floor heat up here is awesome too. It's all gypcrete concrete. With inlaid heat that runs off the boiler. Super efficient. Got the hallway goes all the way up to the front. Beautiful views of the mountains there. A little better in the winter when all the leaves are off the trees, but gorgeous. Alright, all the room numbers still up there. It's super fun. So, you can see the shape the place is in. It's been here quite a while. We got a lot of work to do, but man, you got gorgeous views out there. Beautiful neighborhood, perfect distance around town. So this is the other side of the house there, kind of end up being the master bedroom. Again, you got great views out there. I got the blinds shut because the baby's sleeping in the back, so be quiet. Oh, what's this? This is the old stable. Let's see, we've got some cool light fixtures.